Beetlebug's nature trip. Help the Beetlebugs find their trail. Select the Start button to begin. Select the Start button. Off we go! Let's explore the many different shapes we can find in nature. Select the palm tree pen, then draw a path that leads the Beetlebugs to a sign with a triangle-shaped rock. That's the sign for a circle. Let's try again. That's it! A triangle has 3 pointy corners. Very impressive! You help the Beetlebugs get to the triangle sign. Remember, you can draw your path as swirly, curly and crazy as you like. Here's another nature challenge. Nature is full of many beautiful colors. Select the palm tree pen, then draw a path that leads the Beetlebugs to the sign that's as green as a grassy field. Great work! That's the green sign. Well done! You help the Beetlebugs get to the green sign. Just one more nature challenge. There are so many fascinating creatures in nature. Select the palm tree pen, then draw a path that leads the Beetlebugs to the sign for the creature that swims in the deep blue sea. Good try, but that path doesn't lead to the sign for a fish. Try again. Select the palm tree pen, then draw a path that leads the Beetlebugs to the sign for the creature that swims in the deep blue sea. That's the sign for a fish. Fish can breathe underwater. Nicely done! You help the Beetlebugs find the fish sign. Climb aboard, everyone! Thanks to your help, the Beetlebugs nature trip was a big success. Click this button if you'd like to play again. Play again.